Well, as I say, he's UP ka dabang, the Yogi Yug that started in Uttar Pradesh yesterday after he took oath, and he said it'll be Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, and trying to say that law and order will be my top priority. BJP manifesto will be followed in toto. Now, BJP manifesto, which interestingly has Ram Temple on the agenda, which has shutdown of slaughterhouses on agenda, will Yogi be able to do the balancing act as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh with 20% of Muslim population or not is a big question. First, take a look at what he has promised his voters on day one.
केंद्र में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार ने विकास और सुशासन के माध्यम से सबका साथ और सबका विकास का जो संकल्प लिया है, उसका पूरी तरह अनुसरण करते हुए प्रदेश सरकार राज्य की जनता की सेवा करेगी। उत्तर प्रदेश की कानून व्यवस्था चाक चौबंद रखने के लिए सरकार निरंतर पूरी सजग तरीके से कार्य करेगी। प्रदेश में शिक्षा का उन्नयन, युवाओं के लिए रोजगार के अवसरों में वृद्धि, आम जनता को स्वास्थ्य और परिवहन की अच्छी सुविधा प्राप्त हो, समाज के गरीब, दलित एवं पिछड़े वर्गों के कल्याण के लिए विशेष प्रयास किए जाएंगे। पूर्ववर्ती सरकारों के बदहाल शासन का खामियाजा प्रदेश की युवा पीढ़ी को भुगतना पड़ा है। युवाओं को गुणात्मक शिक्षा सुलभ हो, तथा कौशल विकास के माध्यम से उन्हें रोजगार के सुगम अवसर प्राप्त हों, इसके लिए भी प्रदेश सरकार पूरी संवेदनशीलता से कार्य करेगी।
My colleague Maushmi and Shiv Poojan are joining us from Uttar Pradesh as well to get us all the latest details, and also getting you this first special report by my colleague Rohit, who went to Gorakhpur, where he is won as the MP for 5 times. The big question is, will the Gorakhpur MP be different from Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister? But here's how the celebrations are happening in Gorakhpur.
5 times MP from Gorakhpur, Yogi Adityanath has now taken over as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. And back here in Gorakhpur, where we are at this point of time, this is the Gorakhnath temple, and this is the residence of Yogi Adityanath. Whenever he is in Gorakhpur, this is where he lives. And you can see here in this visual that the entire temple premises has been completely decorated with flowers here, because there are reports that are coming that after being sworn in as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath would be coming to Gorakhpur to seek the blessing of the God here. But there are no confirmed reports as to when he will be coming here to Gorakhpur. But the entire temple premises has been decorated with flowers, and also massive security arrangements have also been put in place, because till yesterday there was not so much of security presence here at the temple. But after he was sworn in, there is massive security deployment that has taken place here at all the gates of the Gorakhnath Mandir. And also we were talking to the officials of this temple, and they were also saying that now they are contemplating that this Gorakhnath Mandir, which is the residence of Yogi Adityanath, how it can be developed as a mini Chief Minister office, like the one we have seen in Varanasi. Also there is the mini PMO. So on those lines, there are discussions taking place inside the temple premises, how to convert this temple into a mini CMO. And there are a lot of people also here who have come here, and they are waiting to get a glimpse of Yogi Adityanath, though there are no reports as to when he will come. ये बताइए, खबरें आ रही हैं कि योगी जी कभी आ सकते हैं, आप लोग उनका इंतजार कर रहे हैं?
हाँ, हम लोग उन्हीं का इंतजार कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि पहली बार 30 साल के बाद यह सौगात मिली है उत्तर प्रदेश को, मनो यूपी में। इधर जो हमारे पूर्वांचल को मिला है, अब विकास की गंगा यहीं से शुरू होगा। बाबा गोरक्षनाथ के दर्शन के लिए हम लोग आए हैं, और उन्हीं के साथ साथ हम लोग उनका वेट भी कर रहे हैं कि आ जाएं तो हम लोग वेट भी कर लें।
विकास होगा गोरखपुर यूपी का पूरा
विकास होगा सर। इधर पूर्वांचल का पूरा विकास होगा, और पूरी भ्रष्टाचार खत्म होगी। हम लोगों के इसी के साथ हम लोग यहाँ दर्शन करने के लिए आए हुए हैं। धन्यवाद।
So people hopeful that Purvanchal and entire UP will develop under Yogi Adityanath, but at the temple here, which is a residence of Yogi Adityanath. Decorations complete, preparations all complete, and waiting for Yogi Adityanath to come, though there is no official confirmation as to when Yogi Adityanath would be coming to Gorakhpur. With camera person Deepak Kumar, this is Rohit Singh at the Gorakhnath temple in Gorakhpur for India Today.
Well, interestingly, it's Yogi Adityanath who's been touted as the latest bachelor to join the Chief Minister's Club as well. Now, before Yogi Adityanath, we've had strings of other Chief Ministers. You've had Uttarakhand Chief Minister Trivendra Singh Rawat, who's also a singleton Chief Minister. And you've had Haryana Chief Minister ML Khattar, who's also a bachelor club Chief Minister. And of course, you also have Assam Chief Minister Sonawal, who's also a bachelor Chief Minister. You have Yogi Adityanath joining as Odisha Chief Minister, also is a bachelor. And you have the list growing. In fact, Mamta is also a singleton from West Bengal. And of course, the Prime Minister, one can't forget that, is also the bachelor Prime Minister. And this club seems to be growing only. But on a serious note, what happens now to Uttar Pradesh's growth rate is what the Yogi Adityanath had promised, which has fallen about 3%. What happens to law and order situation? Because this morning only you've had the news of BSP leader who was shot in Allahabad and by two bike-borne assailants. Will Yogi Adityanath deliver on all the promises? Let's go one by one. First to Maushmi and also then to my colleague Shiv Pujan Jha. So Maushmi, big test for Yogi Adityanath to ensure that he's delivering this time. First challenge will be allocation of portfolios as well. What's the inside story that you're getting?
That's right, Devna. It is a huge challenge for the Yogi to actually balance the law and order situation in the state. Already speculations are rife that there is a sense of fear in the minority community, about 20% of that population. But we'll try and get a sense of what the people are expecting, Devna. We're at a tea stall and it's a really famous tea stall जहाँ पे चाय की चुस्की पर तहजीब की चर्चा होती है. So we'll try and do some political talk with the people here on the first day of the new BJP government. भैया जी पहला दिन है सरकार का. आम जनता, आम नागरिक के तौर पे आपको लगता है कानून व्यवस्था पर डिलीवर कर पाएगी?
करना चाहिए. हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी की जो सोच है, जो उन्होंने अपने 2.5 साल 3 साल के कार्यकाल में जो देश में किया है, हमें उस पर पूरा भरोसा है कि राज्य में भी वो कानून, पूरा भरोसा है कि वो राज्य में अपनी कानून व्यवस्था को पहले से बहुत बेहतर करेंगे.
आप एक महिला के तौर पे मैम, महिला सुरक्षा एक बड़ा मुद्दा रहा है, तो क्या आपको लगता है कि सरकार से क्या उम्मीदें हैं महिलाओं की? क्या उम्मीद है आपको?
उम्मीद तो है बहुत. ठीक है, सरकार जो करेगी ठीक ही करेगी, और क्या बताएं.
सरकार जो करेगी सही करेगी. आप लोग से पूछना चाहेंगे क्या उम्मीद है सरकार?
सरकार जो भी करेगी बहुत अच्छा करेगी और पहली बार उत्तर प्रदेश के लिए इतनी अच्छी सरकार चुन के आई है कि जो कि बाकी सारे जो गरीब वर्ग और ये जो भ्रष्टाचार जो कर रहे हैं लोग, उन पे अंकुश लगाने के लिए सबसे अच्छी सरकार ये है.
आम नागरिक हैं आपकी पार्टी?
नहीं, हम किसी पार्टी से हम कोई मतलब नहीं है. हमको, मैं मानवाधिकार से हूँ और मुझे ये
आपकी क्या उम्मीद है सरकार?
नहीं, सरकार अच्छी चलेगी. यहाँ पे बढ़िया चलाएंगे, सरकार अच्छी चलाएंगे. लोग ईमानदारी से काम भी करेंगे. मेरे को विश्वास है योगी जी के नेतृत्व में बढ़िया गवर्नमेंट चलेगी यहाँ पे.
So, Devina, I'm trying to show you how the people of Uttar Pradesh, they are extremely politically aware, and that's where the catch is. Yogi Adityanath with his team will have to prove his mettle very soon. People of Uttar Pradesh are also very impatient, so there has to be a definite timeline as far as, you know, delivery is concerned. We had a talk with lot of cabinet ministers yesterday and they gave varying timelines. So on that point, I think that Yogi Adityanath would have to give the portfolios very carefully to those who experience the important portfolios would be given. But I think that will take a couple of days to decide.
Well, but Maushmi, the fact is...
Kulhar ki chai as you discuss all the political issues.
Well, I would say, Maushmi, that the time for Chai Pe Charcha is over now. It's time for delivery. And I say this because there's a news that is coming in of the BSP leader who was shot dead by two bike-borne assailants. My colleague Shiv Pujan Jha is joining us with more details. But first up, Shiv, be with me. I want to play out the reaction of the UP cops.
मोहम्मद शमी नाम के व्यक्ति हैं जो दुबई गांव के थे. थाना मऊ आयमा क्षेत्र में पड़ता है। यहाँ करीबन 9:15 साढ़े 9 बजे के बीच में इनके बाहर इनको गोली मार दी गई है और इनकी मृत्यु हो गई है। और इस घटना के अंदर इन्होंने 3 लोग को नामजद किया, 1 लोग को अज्ञात की जो है उसमें तहरीर में दिया है और यथाशीघ्र केस का अनावरण किया जाएगा। इसमें क्राइम ब्रांच और सभी लोग इसके अंदर लग गए, यथाशीघ्र घटना का अनावरण किया जाएगा।
Now, Shiv Pujan Jha is with us. So, Shiv, what are the details that we're getting of the investigation right now? Because this is where Yogi Adityanath needs to show that he means business. He will deliver on the promises made. You can't have a political leader shot at on the day the BJP government takes over in Allahabad in broad daylight.
It's going to be a big challenge for the BJP and more so for Yogi Adityanath because there has been utter lawlessness in the state, and time and again Akhilesh Yadav's government was in the dock for all the wrong reasons, one of them being the lawlessness in the state. And the day this swearing in was taking place, there was a broad daylight murder which has taken place, which has shocked the entire state. Definitely the onus lies on the shoulders of Yogi Adityanath, and earlier in the day today he called in the DGP of the state and he had a long meeting, approximately 15 to 20 minutes of meeting. He basically tried to take a stock of the overall situation that exists in this particular state, and apparently the DGP has been directed now to look into the matter. When we talk to the senior police officials, they are indicating that they have identified a couple of people who could be behind this particular murder, and possibly the arrest would be made sooner or later. The exact reason is not yet known to us, Devina, but then largely it is being believed that it could be some kind of political rivalry as such. This particular murder has taken place, but definitely when we are mentioning the
it's
fact
public.
that
Absolutely, Shiv. Even if it's a political rivalry, as initial leads are suggesting, it shakes up the faith of the public in law and order in state. You can't have Gundaism practiced with the BSP leader being shot at. Tomorrow it could be a common citizen as well. And it's the duty of the state government to provide protection and ensure that these kind of arm twisting tactics, these kinds of brazen Gundaism is put to an end in Uttar Pradesh, and development is the focus. Thanks so much for joining us.